The new Woody Woodpecker show was released on May 8, 1999. Today we're celebrating the 25th anniversary of the new Woody Woodpecker show, based on the Woody Woodpecker cartoons by Walter Lantz and Universal Pictures. So join Woody Woodpecker on the incredible journey, all these cartoon segments featuring him or Chilly Willy, Winnie Woodpecker, Knucklehead, and Splinter, that is. He better watch out for his enemies, Wally Wallace, Miss Meanie, and including Buzz Buzzard. And I did see all these Woody Woodpecker cartoons of the new Woody Woodpecker show, and I love one of those. Let me know in the comments, and this is Minion Fan 1024 signing off.